Thoughts of grandeur, we playing for my ties. Damn, we eye fly. Easy to hate this. Jealousy's tough. We don't speak that language, but we go so hard with our thumbs up. Dumb luck, no. Taught ourselves how to get where to go, and we go until we get there. Owing on a jet lag, not yet, but imagination's how we get there. Heck yeah, fist up. You can do your fist pump. I don't have time, cause the grind gets a bit tough. Go Jersey Shore, show you the door. Drop shit you never heard before. Because I'm peddling my gift, ain't settling for shit. Every week something new, and it's steadily legit. Readily will pedal, cause my scooter doesn't fit. Can't coast, no joke, 27 different shifts. Working for a dick is just something I don't get. So I'm doing what I love and avoiding politics. Knowledge and a gift and a drive that doesn't shift. I could never be in park, I ain't flying on a whim. Riding on a hymn, you can tie me to a sin. I am cutthroat, Jesus couldn't help me if he lived. Back and forth motion, I ain't fucking till I jizz. I don't mean to be explicit, that's how it really is. And I can't stop, this is all there is now. If you like some other guy, go and rock his sound. I can always get down, shit can't faze me. Put your fucking fist up, this is Black Paisley, and I'm done. I'm fucking done. I am just off of it. I'm off of it. I'm off of it. I'm done. I'm fucking off of it. You all of it. Y'all all of it. Y'all all can live. Alternates. No sitting on the bench. Fuck all that shit. No sidelines. No sidelines. No sidelines. No sidelines. Not for me. Not anymore. Not for me. No, not anymore.